I've seen him meticulously working in organizing like all these events, चाहे वो छोटे events हो या बड़े. Later on in 2019, like a grand event being organized by Abhay Khapka and his team in Indira Gandhi Center for Arts and Culture by Indian Social Institute. So that time also we can see his organizing skills, किस तरह से सारे लोगों को एक साथ लेके आना, एक प्लेटफॉर्म में एक उनको साथ में जोड़ना, और a wonderful activist and a scholar which we all need to learn. Professor Virginius Khaka and dais में मौजूद मेरे को speakers Nitisha and Maruma, yeah, and ये काफ़ी जैसे प्रोफेसर खाका ने बताया, like we actually have a very fond memories of Abhay, and विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा है कि like he is not around. He is actually very much around in our soul, because he has got a very insightful vision जो हम सब शेयर करते हैं उसके थ्रू. एंड सबसे पहले तो प्रोफेसर नंदिनी मैम and Professor Khaka, मेरे गुरु, sociologist both. I learn from you both every moment as a student of sociology. Yeah, thank you. अभय, डॉक्टर अभय से मेरी मुलाकात सबसे पहले JNU में, because he was very active in JTS से, तो वहाँ formal informal meetings में मुलाकात शुरू हुई, क्योंकि हम लोग भी जाते रहते थे. I was very senior, so I passed out and I shifted, and he joined back later, much of my junior. So all the time he was very courteous towards me as a senior, as an elder sister, as a ma'am. So of course, and सारी meetings वगैरह जो JTA में होती थी, I've seen him as a very dynamic, energetic person, because he was very involved in organizing different events. चाहे वो एक छोटी सी मीटिंग क्यों ना हो गंगा ढाबा में, या फिर सोनादी के घर पे, या फिर कोई JNU के किसी साबरमती लॉन्स में, कहीं पे भी, या फिर वो कोई जैसे इंडिजिनस डे हुआ, या कोई और इवेंट जैसे बिरसा जयंती, तो ऐसे इवेंट्स वो हमेशा JNU में ऑर्गेनाइज करते थे. एंड इवन फॉर स्मॉल कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, सेमिनार, एंड आई हैव सीन हिम मेटिकुलसली वर्किंग in organizing like all these events, चाहे वो छोटे events हो या बड़े. Later on in 2019, like a grand event being organized by Abhay Khapka and his team in Indira Gandhi Center for Arts and Culture by Indian Social Institute. So that time also we can see his organizing skills, किस तरह से सारे लोगों को एक साथ लेके आना, एक प्लेटफॉर्म में एक उनको साथ में जोड़ना, और a wonderful activist and a scholar which we all need to learn. ऐसा नहीं है कि scholar का मतलब आप सिर्फ बड़े यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में पढ़ें और डिग्री लें. Abhay was very, very rooted to the grassroots level of villages in Chhattisgarh, in Jharkhand, the very difficult terrains of Latehars, and वहाँ पे उन्होंने social movements वगैरह organize किया. जैसे प्रोफेसर खाका ने बताया, of course he was very bold and very radical in his thought, and is also in his action, like the protest movement. Poop protest is again a classic example where he challenged this whole notion of civility, what exactly one means by being civil. खासकर आदिवासी पर्सपेक्टिव में तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है समझना. एंड मोर ओवर आदिवासी फिलॉसफी वॉज वेरी क्लोज टू हिज हार्ट, and that get reflected in his writings, in his speeches, in the paper he presented in many seminars, conferences. Whenever he used to speak, one can see that it's like that Adivasiyat, it's coming out, and that was again a very inspiring thing. And चाहे कोई सीनियर्स हो, जूनियर्स हो, सबको एक साथ लेके आना किसी इवेंट के लिए, सबको जोड़ के रखना, साथ में बहुत सारे मूवमेंट्स में भी पार्टिसिपेट करना, being traveling all the time, taking care of family, and like kids were very attached to him. Like Vani, like a dear friend again, she used to like constantly like we used to discuss all these And with Abhay also, whenever I met him, like as a elder sister, like I used to start asking कि मानव कैसे है, सारा कैसे है, and very nicely, sweetly used to tell me. I remember the last meeting which I met him in 2019, it seems, August, when Betwal sir and Sona they organized one meeting at Green Park, and it was raining very heavily. But somehow, like, I stay very far off, so I was the early bird, and right after me, Dr. Abhay Khaka also reached. So like we were talking. And then when we went inside the hall, he took out a diary. He was carrying a diary and a pen. So he took out, and other guests also came, and he sat, and while this informal discussion, because the meeting was about to start, वो वहाँ पे लिखने लगे. वो लिख रहे हैं कुछ. He was making notes and all in that diary. So I was sitting next. So मैंने पूछा कि क्या लिख रहे हो आप है? तो he said कि एक आर्टिकल सबमिट करना है दीदी, वो डेडलाइन है, ये आर्टिकल मुझे सबमिट करना है. So that was the dedication. कि आप मीटिंग में हैं, मीटिंग स्टार्ट होने से पहले भी आप अपना काम कर रहे हैं, आर्टिकल लिख रहे हैं, और दैट वाज द डेडिकेशन उनके स्कॉलरशिप का, उनके एक्टिविज़म का, जो हमेशा झलकता था. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऑफ कोर्स बहुत लंबा टाइम तो हम लोग कम ही स्पेंड कर पाते थे, बट व्हेनेवर वी मीट एंड आई रिमेंबर द इन डेप्थ मेटिकुलस स्कॉलरशिप ही हैड गॉट इन हिज रिसर्च वर्क. Because when he used to speak about, like, he was very keen on Adivasi education also. So in one of the seminar in JNU, like, he was speaking about this his research work on the syllabus of these schools run by Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Saraswati Shishu Mandir. So he has done a very in-depth analysis of these syllabus, because these are very, very small Adivasi kids, those who being taught by those books. So he made it very clear, and how he explored it through his research, that how in these syllabus, in these textbooks, the Adivasi history and their mythological narratives are being highly distorted, and they have tried to link it with the Hindu religious text like Dhamma Shastra, specifically the epic of Mahabharata and Ramayana. And in this whole process, like how the tribals, Adivasis are being highly devalued, and they're being depicted very derogatory, and which generates, and he was very sensitive towards it, because this is how education, you know, like, and they impact on the small children in these schools, that they're being made to feel that you are somehow like inferior and all. So he was very sensitive towards bringing up all these issues, specifically in Central University, in the forum of Central Universities, and to inform others. Similarly, like for the 5th schedule, he has got meticulously research on this area, and like details from the grassroots level of Chhattisgarh and also from Jharkhand. He has brought out inside the real voices from the field. One can actually hear when he was very passionate about his research work and also about his activism. So that need to be learned, that very inspiring, and we need to learn from all these. And I simply can't believe, because as Professor Khaka has also mentioned, that he used to talk about establishing that Indian Institute of Adivasi Studies, just like in the line of Indian Institute of Dalit Studies. And he used to share his ideas with everybody, and he was very keen on working. He has this plan, because he has this international networks also. He has worked with various organizations, human rights organizations also. He has done research. So that way, so he was very confident that this will come up. And when the news came, that all of a sudden, like very shattered, and of course my care and blessings to Manav, Sara, and my love to Vani. Yeah, thank you so much.
Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.